This is my first floor, and it is very, very shoddy work. I'm not going to deny it. It is. It looks like crap. I mean, come on. I can do better than this. So, let's. First things first, we take out the old floor. Fantastic, and now it's raining. Oh, shut up! Wind, rain. Just a crappy day, all in all. So, that's a riv nut. As to where I before had just a hole, right now I have one that actually holds a screw. And it's actually pretty strong. It looks like this. And you actually just squeeze them to make them fit. Yeah, they're fantastic to use. I love these things. They're great. Yeah. I know the old floor was bad, but at least the measurements were okay. Big problem is you can't see where you have to drill. That's because the hole you have to drill through is below your wooden board. So I made these little plastic holders with a pin inside. That way you put your wood on top, it dents in, and you know exactly where to drill. Okay, this is it. Let's see if my genius has worked. As it turns out, there was no need for me to punch this hard. That's a hole. That's a hole. Hole, hole. Awesome. They're not 100% clear, but I can actually see the tiny puncture marks, which basically means it works. And I broke one. well, it works. That's the most important thing. I printed these in PLA, which means they're not that strong, and as you can see, I kind of yeah, I kind of broke all of them. You can see they're pretty much all. Oh, this one looks okay. Okay, so one survived. I can always print more. So it's probably hard to see, but right here we have a dent, and along the line another one. That's number 3. And 4, 5, and 6. And now let's see how good my inventions worked if the holes actually line up. Let's find out if I'm a genius or an idiot. So yes, as it turns out, it works. And to prove to you it does, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes!